Hi everybody, so my kitty cats, I'm pleased to say today that I'm unboxing some things. I have, or haul as some might say. I have stuff from Elf and stuff from, my brain just fell out, and from Ulta. So I'd like to show you that stuff. And, sorry, I hiccuped there. I was gonna work on another video that I have been working on, but it needs more work. I need to film some more for it, and time got away with me today. Yesterday I was supposed to edit a film that I already filmed for Foodie Friday, and it didn't go up, so it's gonna go up for next Friday. So I was like, what am I gonna do? I only have one video that went up this week. So I was like, oh yeah, I have these packages, let's open them, right? Because they've been here for, I don't know, a few days. Especially this Elf one's been sitting here for like a week. So yeah, let's open this one, right? If I can get it open. They make everything so different now. Like, how do I open this? I think I'm doing it right. Oh, that made a loud noise, huh? Okay. So we got some stuff in here. And I'm just gonna put it right here so I can get it to it. There's lots of this, like, this stuff in here, which I actually like that packaging over some other ones. Oh, so for one, we've got the hydrating bubble mask. I never tried Elf's bubble mask, and you know I like their hydration products, so I was like, this is a chance for me to try this mask. Oh cool, so it's got one of those things where you push down and the product comes out. That's cool, I like those. Hydrating and nourishing gel transformed into a bubble mask on the face. So yeah, like, Mask Monday, that will be a fun one to do. Excuse me while I break down the little boxes. It's just something I do. I know, so annoying of me. What else do we got here? Whoa! Okay, box almost fell over. This is the Holy Hydration Makeup Cleansing Balm stuff. This stuff's so good. I love this crap so much. So happy to have ordered it. Remember I got it in that little kit, and that I reviewed, and it was like, oh my gosh, this is the shit. And it is, and I love this stuff. I mean, this line, the Holy Hydration line, is pretty awesome. So there's that. Has like a nice clean scent to it, and this stuff, I'm not kidding you, takes off makeup and grime off your face like nothing else is like it. Okay, so this big one here is the Elf. Yes. So I figured, what the heck, right? I'm already getting so many other things, so why not try this? I don't generally think that most CBD products work. And I know that some people underneath are gonna be like, what? It saved me. Okay, it did. But every CBD product I've tried has not really worked for me. This is a CBD lotion. So I thought, why not try it, right? It's a body lotion, CBD body lotion. 50 milligrams CBD, and a rich body cream that helps calm and soothe skin. And I'm sure it does that. What I'm wondering is, will it help with my psoriasis at all? I've known some people to claim that the CBD lotion they have cured their psoriasis, so that's why I got it. I'm very interested to see, is it just like a regular nice lotion, or is it going to be like some sort of miracle cure for me? We'll see. We'll see what happens with that. Okay, we also have e.l.f. Prep and Blur Stick. These were on sale, I think. And I thought, what the heck? Why not try one? But is it going to be the right color? That's because I don't remember them having, like, this says sheer. It looks kind of dark for me, but actually when you put it on, it's like clear. So I'm not sure how these work. I really know nothing about blurring sticks. Blur the look of okay, so it's a primer stick that blurs the look of pores and fine lines and imperfections while providing. So it's a primer. See, I don't know if I would have bought it if I've got like so many primers. It's kind of sickening the amount of primers I have. So wasn't what I don't know what I was thinking it was gonna be. I thought it was like a concealer that blurred stuff. I'm an idiot, I guess. Okay, and this is the Holy Hydration Face Cream, which I use as a night cream, and I love it. I thought it was extremely hydrating. I liked how nice and thick it was. Made my skin feel so good. My only issue is that I feel like I wish it was a bigger amount. I don't know. I wish there was a bigger amount I could buy. But here it is. So that's everything I got from e.l.f. I know. You're like, that was it? That was all you got? I'm just checking just to make sure that, like, they didn't stick something in here that I didn't see. Okay. I was pretty sure that was it, but you never know with these things. Ugh. So, that's taken care of. I'm now going to check. I'm waiting for DoorDash to bring me some bubble tea. Okay. Nothing yet. I have some more boxes here, but I think this is one I'm gonna wait on. This is like a Gwynnie V box. My daughter just like stacked every box when I said just the e.l.f. and Ulta box, but she apparently didn't understand that. And that's okay. We've got the Ulta one. And that's what matters, right? I hope that I've got my little trusty blade to... You really should cut away from yourself. Not do what I'm doing. Like, it's the smart thing to do is to cut away from yourself. But I'm not always smart when it comes to opening up packages, right? Sometimes we just don't think. Alright. So, to start off with, we have some of this lovely stuff, which I am now getting rid of. La la la. Get rid of all that stuff. Oh, and there's more! Yay! One little thing. Okay. Let's see. What do we got here? Ooh, oh yes, we've got classic body sunscreen in Peach Blossom. I wanted some of this, and it's in SPF 70, which is, I mean, I'm really pale. And this stuff, Kula, is awesome. It's expensive, so I was like, oh, I'm gonna grab some now while I can. Because I also really need sunscreen because of my disease. But I was really like excited for the fact that it was scented peach. Or peach blossom, I guess. Which, does peach blossom have the same scent as a peach? Does it? I mean, you decide, Bianca. It's sunscreen, by the way.
I miss my scents.
Does it smell good?
I'm trying to smell, but I can't smell.
It's not a strong scent, so I'm not sure you'll get it. She's had no sense of smell for like... Forever. Like way before COVID even happened. She hasn't had a sense of smell in like a year and a half. Don't know what that's about. And nobody seems to have an answer for it. So...
I think it's just allergies got really...
Yeah, it seems to be just allergies stuffing up her, area. Anyways, we've got a highlighter brush. Whee! So, and everybody's in the room with me now. Well, I don't mind you being here. Okay, that came right out like that, and then the brush is still stuck in there. Okay, that didn't work the way I thought that it would. There we go. Okay. Gosh. Plastic. Oh. This is a nice highlighting brush. It seems more like a face brush to me, but it said highlighter. It said a light highlighter brush. So we'll see. We'll see about that. Ooh. So, what comes next? Oh, more brushes. Went a little crazy with the brushes, I guess. And this is like stuck. Come on. Come out, silly brushes. It's so obvious that you want to. Okay. Brushes. This was the Real Techniques Eye Shade and Blend dual-ended brow brushes. I don't know. There's like, and so this has a spoolie and then a nice brush like that on the other side. So this is just a blending brush, and so is this. They're two different like blending brushes. So now, well, I've got a lot of stuff in here. I just did not realize I bought that much. Oh, these are Wet n Wild Cloud Pout. They are a marshmallow lip mousse. So I got them in several colors. I'm planning on doing like a video with them at some point, showing them all off. I think there's 4 or 5 of them that I got. So, yeah, I got 5. 5 of these. So I'm not gonna show them all to you now. I'm just gonna show you this one. Because all the others you'll see when the time comes. Oh, we've got some foundation. This is Wet n Wild foundation. I used to love their matte foundation they had. I loved it so much. It worked so good. The Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. But this is their dewy version that they made like last year. And I am now finally getting some. It has the same little spatula, which I love. Somebody's making things beep in the other room. Oh, I think they brought my drinks, yes. So, Bianca will be getting them. Get drinks. What else do we got here? We've got these cute little things. Little peep-shaped sponges. I don't use sponges very often, but those are cute, right? Are they not, like, really cute? Oh, I'm making stuff fall. Okay. What else? We've got some voluminous L'Oreal Paris mascara, but it's in deep green. I was thinking like, I don't know, fairy colors or something, I think. And then I've got a thing of mini erasers, small ones. So, yes, to wipe makeup off. I mean, there's a whole bunch of them, so, I mean, you can use them. I mean, yeah, this one's mine.
Yeah, because mine doesn't have it.
Bubble tea.
Which one?
I got strawberry cream.
So I like how this one they didn't have a pink straw, but they put a pink monster in my...
Aw.
I want to be fully pink. Is that Peeps blending brush?
Maybe.
Is that mine?
No.
Can I has one?
No. I'll tell you why in a little bit. I
It's
just can't because
funny.
I got the camera going. Somebody might see. So this is the last item before I go. This is Peter Thomas Roth's masking mini set. Peter Thomas Roth is like $60 a jar of mask. This was like 25 bucks to try out like all of them. I've actually tried some of these before. I think this exfoliate one. No, that wasn't the one. I think it was the Purify one that I tried. I tried one of these before, and it was very good. But it's expensive to buy these, so I was just like, I'll just buy the kit of the little ones, and then I can use them without buying, like, can you imagine buying all of those? Like $60 each. That's crazy. So anyways, this is the end of my video. You saw stuff from e.l.f., stuff from Ulta. That's what I got. I didn't get any like eyeshadow palettes because I have so many and I need to go through them and I'm scared because I'm gonna have to say goodbye to some of them and that scares me. So that's really good. Sorry guys. This is
Show
really
me which
good.
one's your favorite ones and I'll mix it with resin. Because I can mix the eyeshadow with resin.
Oh, I see what you're saying. So anyways, this was fun. I hope you enjoyed. Remember to stay safe out there.
Don't slap
Get
people in the
vaccinated.
face.
Put your masks on. Yeah, don't slap people in the face unless, you know, they're really awful.
Wow, okay.
Bye, kitty cats.